Today we are frying salmon. We're using our Louisiana New Orleans style fish fry. Make sure you get the yellow bag. Super good. You don't need any seasoning with this. No seasoning whatsoever. This is the bomb. We have our fresh slab of salmon from Sam's Club, and we cut this up into about 20 pieces. We're also having our original Uncle Ben's rice. We cooked for 20 minutes and I set my timer. The original is much better than the boiling bag, so we like it fresh around here. You getting cold song? You getting that tonight? I'm just slushy. What you talking about? So we are just going to drop our salmon pieces into the bag of Louisiana seasoning. Shake it up. Gonna drop little mama on in there. This cooks really fast, so just make sure you're keeping an eye out on it. So that's our first 5 pieces. We're just going to let that simmer on down. So we're just going to stir our rice up, and this is enough rice for 12 servings. So we're going to get it more brown. Flipping them over.